Welcome. Today we will be creating mini comics. This is a fairly straightforward project. All you'll need is a single sheet of paper, scissors, a pen or pencil, and a stapler. Now fold your paper in half. Fold it in half again, and again, and one last time. Now you can unfold the paper. Use the creases as a guide to cut the paper into tiny pages that will make up your book. Stack the pages on top of each other. You'll notice that I am leaving a couple of the pages uncut. This will make for a nice fold-out section in the middle. It's an optional thing, but I think it's fun. Lastly, staple the booklet. I like to have the booklet face down when I do this, so that the smooth part of the staple is on the outside of the spine. There you go. Now all you have to do is draw your comic. Here we go. Since this is such a low-stakes project, I thought it would be fun to just draw in pen and make up the story as I went. No erasing, no going back. I think it turned out alright, all things considered. Okay. Now that the comic has been drawn, I will show you one last technique before sharing the comic with you. To show you how this works, I am numbering all the pages of a blank mini comic. This is just to help keep track of what's going on. Okay, now that we've got our comic made, go ahead and take out the staples to disassemble it. Next, set up all the pages next to each other so they create the shape of the original piece of paper. The order doesn't really matter at this point. Now tape the whole thing together. Okay, it's time to go to the scanner. Go ahead and make double-sided copies of the assembled document. Once you've got the copies, it's time to cut them up. All you have left to do is reassemble them just like the original. This is an incredibly cost-effective way to make comics that you can give to your friends or whoever else might want to read them. So there you go, a whole comic from just a single page of paper. Thanks for sticking around. As a bonus, I'll thumb through the comic I made in case you'd like to take a look. That's it. Thanks for joining us for another craft here at the Newport Beach Public Library. Please check out our other craft videos and subscribe for some great content. We've got virtual story times, book recommendations, and lots of other stuff over at the NBPL YouTube page. Bye!